Right, good morning. Another repair on the Clio again. Basically, as I put the window down, it developed an issue, if I could put it in the right way, where as I would put the window down, it'll get stuck about halfway. So it'll go down about that far, and then it'll start sounding like it was grinding or catching on something. Yeah, it'll start sounding like it was catching on something. To which, let me fire this up so the battery don't go flat. And basically, I was told it was either the motor there, so we brought a second-hand one which I haven't fitted yet, or it could have been the cables or something simple like that. As it turns out, there's actually a little guard here, this honeycomb thing, and it's got a bit of a runner there, to which if you put the window down, you might be able to see. There you go. If you notice, the window there comes down just by it. Basically, it was catching the edge of that. Because that was bent, it was catching the edge of that, and it was making that grinding noise as if the window was getting stuck. So as a result, we were just frightened to pull it down anymore. But yeah, I bent it back. Just all you have to do, bit of force on the top, just bend that bar back a little bit, and as you can tell now, it goes all up, all down, perfect. Which is a bonus for me because it's been happening for months, and a bonus for the girlfriend because it's her car. So she's happy and I get a coffee out of it. As a result as well, the tools I needed, because it had this epoxy silicone stuff on, brute force a, where is it, T30 Torx bit, T20 Torx bit to get off the handle which was there, centre bit which was that, the bolt on the bottom, and just pull. Once you got the guard off, which pulls off as well, up there, and the guard there, which are both over there. Not only that, you have to take the speaker off, which I did, using the 2 screws, and then it's literally pull that plastic in a bit off, so you can get access to that. Once all that's done, it's literally, you can put the window down and you can have a look where it's getting stuck. So, got it done, bent that back, because as you can tell, there's quite a bit of play in it anyway. So, got it done, bent it back, all sorted, window goes up and down, everyone's happy. Literally takes about half an hour if you're dawdling. But the priority thing you will need, especially if you're like me and doing it at, let's have a look, about 8:30, 8:45 in the morning, is a coffee or a cup of tea if you don't like coffee. Priorities. Easy fix, doesn't cost any money, problem solved.